Hello folks, this is a beautiful day here, Saturday, East Coast, yesterday Friday, and today is Sunday, has some snowstorm. This is Lansdale, Pennsylvania. This is a small city of Lansdale, Pennsylvania, quiet, very nice. And I see Korean market here, 5 minutes from here. Many surrounding here, Korean restaurants, Korean barbecue restaurants, many other, and many Korean churches around here. In surrounding Lansdale, Philadelphia, about 30 minutes from here, about 20 minutes, 30 minutes, surrounding about number of Korean Americans living here, about 150,000. So in Philadelphia area, Charlton Avenue, there's a big H-Mart, used to call Hanarum Korean Market. In Philadelphia, I think like three, four H-Mart Korean markets around there. Then I see here in Lansdale, Pennsylvania, as Korean market. We had a snow last night. Snow will be starting at 10 a.m. today. Looks like they said that expectation 4 to 11 inch, but looks like around 4 5 inch came. There's a Rite Aid pharmacy here. Best way to snow like this, snow days, do not drive. And it doesn't matter, small cars, heavy trucks. Nothing you can do with the ice and snow, you have to slow down. That's not such a magic. Slow down and stay home is the best thing. Yesterday I went to Boston, Massachusetts, Friday. That's a snowstorm. It's like 1 foot to 2 feet. So expecting they got about 20-25 inches snow yesterday. But Pennsylvania is less. New York, New Jersey, snow. Maryland, Virginia had a snow yesterday, last night and today. Alright, beautiful here in Lansdale, Pennsylvania. Snowstorm almost done by 10-11 a.m. Saturday today, January 29th. So local time is 9:49 a.m. Yes, Memorial Park right here in Lansdale. Alright folks, Merry Christmas. In this area, they did not have a white Christmas, but white Christmas right now, after December and January right now. Looks like a plenty snow. Alright, be safe folks. And so long. 감사합니다.